Today we're going to look at Bouncing on My Bed by Crosby. This is a Prep B piece. It's built around some pretty straightforward patterns. I'm going to play it through for you and then we'll take a look at it. That's pretty much how it goes. Could probably go a little bit slower than that or even a little bit faster depending on how you felt about it. It's built on sort of 2 or 3 musical ideas. The first one is the sort of bouncing on my bed idea. The other one is this more lyrical idea. It goes bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs, and that happens twice in the piece. And then this is sort of a third part. Jump so high, touch the sky, twirl around, never touch the ground, which is really kind of fun. So we're going to take a look at each individual section. So I just want to make sure the iPad can get all the way down to that low C. So you can see I'm on the low C down here, right here, and the G in this fifth. Whenever we have the Bouncing on My Bed section, those are the only 2 notes we're actually going to be playing, the C and the G, either together or the G first, slurred to the C as a staccato. Can you hear that slur? You want to practice that just a few times. Join in. From the G down to that C. That's it. In our right hand, we're on this group of 2 back keys, not the middle C one, the treble C ones. We're on the group of 2 back keys, and I'm putting fingers 2 and 3 on them. And then I'm just falling onto the C and the E with fingers 1 and 4. And again, it's that slur to staccato. And sometimes it goes to 1 C and E, and sometimes it goes to 2 staccato C and E's. So you want to practice both going to the 1 and then to the 2. Okay, so once you're comfortable with both of those sections, those little right hand, left hand sections, you can put it together. So it has left, right, right, left, left, right, right, right. Let's try it again. So the 5th in the left hand, notice I'm pulling my fingers back just to show you the 5th. I would never normally play that one, I always have it over the top. So we have the 5th. Let's try it again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, the first line of this piece that actually happens twice in a row. So you're going to play that little section twice. Now for the next line of music at measure 5, for the Bouncing on My Bed in My Purple PJs, the left hand is going to move to the G just below middle C with finger 1. It's going to look like a C 5-finger position here in the left hand, as well as in the right. So we're just simply in this 5-finger position. The left hand starts with the G, so finger 1, and is just going down by step. Bouncing on my bed. 1, 2, ready, try. Bouncing on my bed. 1, 2, ready, try. Bouncing on my bed. I'm probably pretty comfortable with that. The right hand, we're going to start on the D. We go stepping up to the F, and then we're going to step down to the C. In my purple PJs. ready, try it. In my purple PJs. 1, 2, 3. In my purple PJs. Let's try both hands in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs. Let's try it 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs. So the next part, we go back to the very first part that we did. We only do it once though. Okay, so we have all of a big chunk of the song learned now. Now we're going to go to the third line at measure 9. And our left hand is back from where it was down here and back up to here. And our right hand is up here on the treble C, again in these C 5-finger positions. So we have jump so high, which is just going down by step, staccato, staccato, and then a 2 count note on the D. And then the right hand does the same thing. You see that? But while the right hand's doing it, the left hand is coming up by step. So both hands are going to be playing finger 4, then finger 3, and then finger 2. So the left hand goes from the F, jump so high, and then with the same finger 4, touch the sky. 1, 2, ready, play. Jump so high, touch the sky. 1, 2, ready, play. Jump so high. Finger 4s together. 4, 3, 2. That should be getting pretty comfortable now. Now for the next part, your thumb in your left hand, finger 1, just goes to the G and goes down by step from the G to the F to the E. It's just like jump so high, but 1 step higher. Twirl around. Now, the next part, never touch the ground. The left hand just goes up in a 5-finger position, from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. Never touch the ground. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. And while the left hand's doing it, the right hand does something very, very similar. It comes down the 5-finger position, but it stops on the D and then goes back to the E. We're going to go a little bit slower for this one. Never touch the ground. So starting on the G, down by step, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. We're going to try it together. So mostly the fingers are playing together, except when the left hand goes up to, when the right hand goes up to finger 3, the left hand goes up to finger 1. Never touch the ground. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never touch the ground. So now we're ready to put that whole line together. So we're going to do jump so high, touch the sky, twirl around, never touch the ground. Starting with the F with the left hand. Jump so high, 4s together, touch the sky. Finger 1 in the left, left, twirl around, never touch the ground. Let's try that through again. 1, 2, ready, play. Jump so high, touch the sky, twirl around, never touch the ground. And that is almost the whole song. I'm just going to show you the very ending. In the very ending, we start like as if we were going to open the song. We're in the same hand position with the C way down here. Not the very bottom one, but this one here, low C. And we go. And then 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 counts of rest before we play our octave higher. And then on our last CE, we just play that bottom CG together. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to play the whole piece through again for you so you know where everything goes. We have our bouncing idea. You can join in if you want on a repeat. Bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs. Jump so high, touch the sky, twirl around, never touch the ground. Bouncing on my bed in my purple PJs. 1, 2, 3. And that's bouncing on my bed if I have time on the video. And I don't. I would do it again, but I think that's probably long enough. Hope you have fun with bouncing on my bed.